Hello, Forest Glen families. I'm going to show you how to get to Seesaw for our upcoming e-learning day and teach you where to go on your computer so that you can see exactly step by step how to get there, and once you get there, how to make a bookmark so that you can get there easily in the future. The website you want to go to that also has almost all of your child's online applications and online tools that we use at school is on clever.com. So up here at the top, you're going to want to type in clever.com. So click enter. And when you go here, up at the top corner, there's a place that says log in as student. You're going to want to do that. I'm going to log in under my account, but you would do student. Either way, it's the same thing. This will be the screen you see if you ever log out of Clever. So under school district, or search for your school, most people want to type in Forest Glen, and you'll get a lot of Forest Glen schools, but none of them are ours. The code for our Forest Glen is FG, and it's the first one there. I know that's kind of weird, but maybe you want to write a post-it note down to let you know it's FG, INT, and then Magnet School. So once you click there, you will go here to where it says log in with Active Directory. You'll click there and it will take you to the single sign-in portal that you're used to seeing like this. So you type in your student's information. For your student, it's probably their 00 number, 00, blah, 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 and their password. They should know that. I'm going to go ahead and use mine, like I said. And it will take you to your online portal. It might take a second. You might have to be patient. Once you're here, there's a lot of things going on, but the most important, if you scroll down here where it says district, more apps, these are the things that we use on a daily basis. So your students will definitely be using Mayan at school, which is an online library to read books. They can do their Lexia. Learning.com is where their computer science courses are located. Tinker is a coding website for 4th grade and above, but 3rd grade also has access. And then we want to go to Seesaw. Seesaw is like Class Dojo, if you've used it before, kind of. It's an online portfolio. So all of the assignments are going to be located under this location, Seesaw. You'll get this fancy screen with all the colors. And then the trick to this is that your student has various classes within Seesaw. You're going to need to find the profile for your student's class. For example, this is the landing page of my account, but this is not my actual class. I want to go to the one that has all the badges and all the assignments on it, which is La Clase Maravillosa de Señorita Isley. So we'll go there. And this is the landing page where your students will be able to find their activities. Right here under activities, we'll click activities, and that will be their assignments. If they have any activities they've not completed, it will have a badge, like my inbox has a badge for messages. It will have a little red badge up here that will let you know that they have activities pending that they have not answered. They might have quite a few because, as you guys know, in my classroom, I like to use Seesaw as a resource as well. So there are some activities they will not need to do, but your student will need to complete every activity that says e-learning day, February 14th. I hope that has helped you get onto Seesaw, and in a later video, I will show you how to add that to your bookmarks. Thank you.